Hey YouTube, welcome back everyone to my channel. Simple Pretty Nails here. So right here we got some ground beef that we started cooking. We cut up half an onion. We threw in some thyme. I throw it with all the leaves. And onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt. You want to season it all through. I also used, I believe, Lori's seasoning, which usually we cook with that like carne asada, but in this case I use some. Our traditional ragu sauce. It's a lazy meal but delicious. Here we have some zucchini. We're going to go ahead and wash them and we are going to slice them. We're going to go ahead and use some Monterey Jack. You're supposed to use mozzarella cheese, but in this case, I want Monterey Jack. So we're going to go ahead and use half and half, I think my husband wanted to do, which turned out very delicious. So right here, we're going to rinse out our spinach. You want to get a whole thing of spinach right here. You can obviously put as much as you want, but in this case, I'm just using this much as you guys can see.
Babe, it's not that serious.
I'm going to go ahead and throw it all in there with my meat after seasoning and cooking it. We're going to go ahead and put it in there, and look, it's like gone. My husband says it looks like cilantro. So here it is. It's all well cooked. We're going to go ahead and put some more of the leaves. My husband was trying to put just a little, excuse me, guys. I'm actually sick. I'm thinking I got the flu, but I'm going to get these videos done one way or another with sneezing. I told him just please put the whole stem with it. So we put some fresh ones in here. We're going to go ahead and add our whole thing of ragu. Instead of getting the small jar, I got the medium size. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in. Mix it all in. This is nice and thick. I think this is going to give it such a delicious flavor, you guys. We're also going to go ahead and use like a tablespoon of parsley and a tablespoon of oregano. And right here we put some sugar to cut that acidy stuff. So you can put about 3 to 4 tablespoons in here of sugar. It gives it an amazing flavor. And you know, you guys, I measure everything with my hands. I'm so used to making these kind of foods that I just know. But if you guys wish to measure it, go for it. I put it on my hand and I already know that it's a tablespoon, so I'm good with that. Bada bing, bada boom. Here goes that sauce. It looks really tasty, you guys. Let's give that a mix. It looks delicious. It smells amazing. So right here, hubby's going to help out with cutting the zucchini because girls got long nails and I could still do it, but it's a lot of work. Teamwork, teamwork. Right here we have Italian breadcrumbs. So go ahead and put about 2 cups or a cup, whichever makes you feel comfortable. I'm going to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. A little black pepper right here. And we're going to go ahead and give it a mix. If you wish to season your zucchini, go right ahead. I personally didn't think it didn't need it. I'm going to go ahead and crack 2 eggs. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at this. I did it with them long nails, and boy, was it hard, but I managed to crack 2 of them. Sometimes it goes bad for me, and I'm not able to crack them, but today it seems to be good going on my TikTok live. So I'm going to use avocado oil for this. We're going to go ahead and put some egg on this. And then we're going to go ahead and put it in to our breadcrumbs. So you want to make sure you get it coated really well. And you want to make sure the zucchini is nice and dry. You don't want it wet. Then we're going to go ahead and pan fry these. We're going to take them out so they can kind of just get mushy for a bit. We're going to go ahead and put the filling on the top and roll them. Even if they break, no big deal. It's fine because everything's going to cook together in the oven either way. So right here we're just showing you pretty much how to do it. A lot of you guys have a lot of questions about this kind of stuff, and we like to be as specific as we can be. I hope you guys do enjoy our videos. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. That always helps for YouTube to notice us. I am growing my channel. I am really excited to bring you guys all these wonderful recipes. Make sure you guys share with your friends so they give us a like and a follow. So right here, I'm going to show you guys pretty much how we're going to do this. Thank you, Jesus. Oh boy. I think I got the flu. My husband's talking about I got a cold. I don't think so. This seems like the flu. Anyways, you guys, so right here I put them all together as you guys can see. We're going to go ahead and fold them up into two. See how pretty that looks? I struggle, obviously, with my nails. I don't got to lie to kick it. I'm always honest. I can still do things, but I definitely hustle with it. Look at how beautiful these are already looking. I don't know how many times I've sneezed today and how many times I have blown my nose. I feel like my nose is going to fall off, you guys. Such bad timing to get sick, and my grandson has been sick. We've been in and out of the hospital. It's been crazy, you guys. So I'm going to try to upload these videos for you guys. I have two more to upload, which is our banana nut bread. And then I have another one, which is shrimp stuffed peppers. Boy, were those yummy. So we're going to put some sauce on the top. We're going to go ahead and put some Monterey Jack. We're going to put some mozzarella Jack. I think my husband wanted to put Parmesan cheese as well. As you guys can see, we lined them up, and then I'm going to line up the other side. I definitely had a hard time lining up the other side, but I managed to get it done. It was a struggle, but I did it. Maybe you guys won't have to struggle as much if you have a different kind of container. You guys can do it differently and then put them on there. It's almost like making lasagna, but with zucchini, which I definitely love. Like, who doesn't like spaghetti sauce, right? And cheese. It's just so yummy. This looks amazing, and I'm telling you guys, it tasted amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you enjoy the rest that I have for you. You guys have a great day. Take care, everyone. I'm sorry, you guys. 350 degrees for 15 minutes.